Hello, Chelsea. In this video, I'm going to be going over all the designs and projects that I've been working on the past few months for Blueberry Cosmetics. So before I get started with everything, just some of the stuff that I'm going to be going over is your vision of the company that was provided to us with the discovery document. Then I'm going to be going over the user profiles and stylescapes that I created based on the information that was given. Then I'm going to move on to the logo designs and brand identity, and I'm going to finish it off with the bottle label designs and box packaging. So what I got from your vision that was given to us with the brand questionnaire here, I kind of went through it, and 5 words that best describe your brand. What I got was friendly, colorful, inventive, joy, and value. Your tagline that you created was define beauty, define you. So I kind of just got some of this information here. I noted down that you wanted to be more of a friendly, fun, and playful type of brand. So I basically just went over all this information and took it all into account when creating all my designs and just all of the packaging and logos and all that. I just kept all this information in mind. So back to my PowerPoint here. Let me see, sorry about that. Okay, so with all that information, I went on to create 2 different user profiles. One, I have Ashley, a 22-year-old fitness trainer. The other was Tanya, a 29-year-old nurse assistant. And I just thought it was really important that, even though they're both kind of at a young age, 22 and 29, I feel like there is a big difference at these 2 ages. At 22 years old, you're kind of just still first entering what you're going to want to do with your life, and entering the workforce and choosing your career, and starting off all your plans of what you're going to do the rest of your life, basically. So you can see here, she's a fitness trainer, completed high school and in the process of going to college. She cares about the health of her body, likes to use non-toxic chemicals. She's an animal lover. I just tried to create user profiles that fit and matched the information that you provided. For Tanya here, a 29-year-old nurse assistant. At 29 years old, I would say, it's still a young age, but you're kind of already a little bit more set on what you want to do most of the time at that age. You kind of already have your career path in mind and just kind of everything going and already planned out. So here I just kind of wrote down, she loves to go out on the weekends and dance. She loves high quality makeup but does not always buy the most expensive brands. She has a college degree and is a hard worker. She originally wanted to be a veterinarian and loves animals. So you can kind of see how both of these user profiles fit and match with the information that you provided. Just that she originally wanted to be a veterinarian. Kind of just goes into play with how all your products are, animal cruelty free and all that. So, yeah, I think these 2 are just 2 really good examples of the user profiles that I feel would be most likely to purchase your products. Moving on, I went on to create 4 different stylescapes for those 2 user profiles. And you can see for each one, I just kind of tried to create like a different vibe. But all of them are pretty similar, as in, it's a professional, but still kind of a friendly and cute, environment. You can see, the dancing with friends and just just all these little details, I feel like kind of give me the image of the brand Blueberry Cosmetics, and the type of people in particular that would be interested in your brand. So, just people that like to work out, take care of their skin, use healthy products, all that. You can kind of see here in these stylescapes that I created. Next, the actual logo designs that I created for Blueberry Cosmetics. It took me a while to get the logo down, even though it is pretty simple. But I kind of started off, trying to make it more complicated, and with the text, I had it at a different kind of more cursive type text. I was trying to make a more like cute feeling to it, but I realized that it wasn't the best font to use, because it was just hard to read at smaller text and all that. And then for the blueberry images here, are these 3 blueberries. I just created these, and I originally had a different image, but I didn't want to go like too over the top with it, and then not even be able to realize that it's even a blueberry. I'm not the best drawer, so I decided to kind of keep it a little bit simple and basic, but still professional, and a nice vibe to it. So for the brand identity, here I included the logos again, you can see. Then I went on to choose different colors from the Stylescapes. I kind of chose the main colors that I saw and that would fit the best with Blueberry Cosmetics. So you can see that here, just the different colors. Then the typeface, like I said earlier, I decided to go with a little bit something easier to read, so I chose Century Schoolbook. I think before I chose like this font called Blackadder, and it was just a little bit too messy, and like it was a little bit cursive like, but I didn't think it was gonna work well after all, so I decided to go with Century Schoolbook. Then I created a little seamless pattern here that I just wanted to include in some of the designs and box packaging and all that. So I just created that, and just included the colors that I chose here. And then my 3 icons that I created, you can see the Love Natural seal, and then the Bunny Approved icon. And this one's just like a little bit of a different blueberry icon that I created just to make it different, So that's the brand identity that I had created. Then moving on to the bottle label designs. So the bottle label designs took me quite a while. I experimented quite a bit. As you can kind of see, some of them are a little bit different shades of purple. I was kind of experimenting with the different shades just to see what would look better and all that. But you can see I included that little blueberry design here, just to make it different. And I tried to keep it basic and simple, but still professional. So those are my bottle label designs. And you can see here on this the 3D model, this is how they would look, on the actual bottles. You can see here, just the purple bottles and all that like that. I think it came out, pretty well. Then the box packaging. The box packaging took the most time out of all the designs, and it took me a while to just kind of get everything down and properly placed, so that when the packaging is actually folded out, everything is presented properly and how I wanted. So you can see here for the slim bottle, I decided to make it more like a kind of like a toothpaste, how the toothpaste packages are, instead of kind of vertical and upright. I just thought it would fit better, and I wouldn't have as much problems with like distortion with the logo and the text and all that. I feel like it fit a lot better this way, so that's why I decided to do it this way. So that's the slim bottle, the medium bottle, and then the small bottle. Here you can see the medium bottle. I think it came out pretty well. The front, two sides, and then the back here. I feel like all of these, I can actually picture on an actual, product. And then of course the small packaging here. The front with the logo and title on the sides. Then on the back, the seamless pattern that I created. And then the 3D model of the packaging here. You can see this is what the first glance would be for the customer, I guess, when they're looking at the product. It's almost kind of like the first impression. And I think it came out pretty well. You can see, just the different angles and all that. But yeah, that's my presentation for all the designs and all the elements of everything that I've been working on for you. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation on everything. Thank you.